Guys, welcome once again in a new video. After a long time I'm shooting a video and uploading on my channel. I don't get time. I have no time due to lack of time. I don't shoot video, and it is 9th November today, and I'm going to sister's house. Then I get a chance for shooting video, and this is travel video, and I will upload this on YouTube so you enjoy and learn English. So guys, finally I reached my sister's house, and I came here 1 hour before, and I'm sitting on the roof, and this is, you can see behind of me, all are paddies. This is farm, and where people grow paddy, and it is about to ripe, but some paddies are green, and uh, you can see some people grow potato around their houses. So little area you can see, and this is a potato farm. You can see this side is also some people are growing potato, and he is working in the farm. Here is also, this is very fertile area. People grow potato and other vegetables around their house. So it looks very nice when it grow. This is potato and maize and radish, garlic, etc. In the camera, he is Monu, and he is standing. He came with me,